how can I tell the difference between winter burn and boxwood blight? And
Yes.
this is Wendy. She says her boxwood have an abnormal amount of brown leaves this spring. So good observation on her part, right? So let's help her out with the difference between winter burn and boxwood blight.
Okay, so it's pretty easy to tell the difference between the two. Winter burn is typically going to be on the very ends, the tips of the branches, maybe, you know, that first inch or inch and a half. It's going to lose all color in the leaves, and sometimes they'll even kind of wilt over a little bit, but the rest of the stem looks fine. Okay,
Right.
so those are symptoms for winter burn.
Okay.
With boxwood blight, we have more definitive leaf, like
Yes, we do, yeah.
leaf spots, essentially. They are pretty, you know, regular in shape, so we're thinking, you know, circles, essentially. And then the outside edge of those spots tends to be ringed in like a darker purple type kind of color. And then we can have black streaks on the bark as well.
Right.
And so that's pretty particular to boxwood blight. That type of leaf spotting combined with the streaking on the limbs, and then
Yeah, let's mention defoliation.
and then
Because
defoliation.
you're really gonna have that with the boxwood blight as
That's right.
opposed to the winter burn.
That's right, that's right. So those are good ways to tell the difference between the two. The winter burn's gonna hold on to those leaves that have lost their color, and the boxwood blight are gonna eventually drop. So
Right.
yeah, that's kind of some easy diagnostic
it is.
tools for telling the difference in the
think it is.
landscape.
Yep.